How to share Instagram story to Facebook story. So if you want to share your Instagram story to Facebook story, then first of all open up your Instagram, and then on the upper left corner you will have your story option. Tap on that, and then you can choose a random photo that you would like to add. Before proceeding, you should know one thing, that you must link your Facebook to your Instagram to add stories on both apps. So after linking your Facebook to your Instagram, you can tap on the arrow which is on the bottom right corner, and then you can choose your story and tap on add Facebook story, and make sure that sharing to your Facebook is on, and then you have to tap on share and done. And that's it. That's how you share your Instagram story to your Facebook. So to check that, you have to tap on Facebook icon on the bottom corner, and it will say already shared to Facebook story. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.